Welcome to the live.
Rainfall and we drowning at the sea. No forget about Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Archilani. Where she said, send on the money, daddy, send on the money. Hurricane Dean just hit. Send on the money, daddy, send on the money. Send it come, even if a little bit. Daddy. Send on the money, daddy, send on the money. Hurricane Dean just hit. The house that blow off, electric cut off, send it down before the boy Felix. So to all who visit we are ready, and all Jamaicans living over abroad. Put your hand in your pocket if you have it and send it, hurry up, and send it down a yard. Or if you're born over foreign from Jamaican parents, please don't think it's too hard. It's the hurricane season, listen to me reason, class your hand and pray to the Lord.